Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to fix slow loading in Roblox. First, check your internet connection. Turn your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection off for a few seconds, then turn it back on. If possible, restart your router to refresh your network. Next, restart your computer to clear temporary system processes. Now, open settings on your PC, then click apps from the left side. Next, select installed apps, search for Roblox. Once you find Roblox Player, click the three dots next to it, then click uninstall. Now, click the three dots next to Roblox Studio and select uninstall as well. After uninstalling both applications, go back to your desktop and press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type %temp% and click OK. Delete all the files in this folder. If some files are currently in use, simply skip them. Now open the Run dialog again. Type temp and click OK. Delete all the files in this folder as well. Next, right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager. Close any unnecessary applications that are using high CPU, memory, disk, or network resources. Now reinstall the latest versions of Roblox Player and Roblox Studio from the official Roblox website. After installation, click the Start menu and search for Roblox Studio. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Then search for Roblox Player. Right-click it and also select Run as Administrator. Now open Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Then select Settings. Click Privacy and Security from the left side. Now click Delete Browsing Data. Check the boxes for browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Then click Delete Data. Finally, make sure Windows and your graphics drivers are fully up to date. Then launch Roblox again. If only one game loads slowly, the issue may be with that game's server or assets rather than your computer. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.